Seems like a lot of people ask me, it's usually the first question out of their mouth, well, why should I use a drum cutter instead of my hammer? Well, the first thing that I always tell them is, well, do you want to get done today or do you want to get done in 2 weeks? I mean, they are so much faster than hammers, it's not even comparable. But it goes beyond that. It's the amount of spoil that you make with a hammer, for instance. You know, the worst thing about a lot of sanitary sewer jobs, especially in an urban area, is when you get done with the job, you've got this big mound of boulders and stuff that you dug out of your trench sitting back here, and you don't know what to do with it. It's like, how am I going to get rid of this? Well, guess what? You're going to put it in a triaxle, or you're going to put it through a rock crusher and screen it and get rid of it. Doesn't matter what you do, it's costly, right? Well, not with these drum cutters. I mean, the spoils that they create are generally 6-inch minus and can be used right back in the trench or put down as rock roadbed or given away if somebody wants to come and get it, but it's usable material. People should really give these drum cutters a chance versus the hammers. It's just the repair cost on a hammer is outrageous compared to these cutters. I mean, every single time what do? You get 1,000 hours out of a hammer before it's laying on your shop floor and you're pulling all the pins out of it and recharging it, putting accumulators on it, putting new bits in it. You know, that gets costly. And it's also, it seems like every time you turn around, you're working on the hammer. Well, these drum cutters, you don't do that. They've got, instead of tearing themselves up, they're designed to last, and they engage the rock with a consumable pick. So instead of taking a bit that's tearing the whole attachment up, these consumable picks, as soon as they wear out, you reach down, pull the old one out, put a new one in, off you go. So this little gadget right here, a lot of people call them teeth. The correct term is a pick. This pick is what sets the cutting technology apart from hydraulic breakers, because this little bad boy right here has taken all the abuse. The way that Chemrock has designed their drums and their chains, these picks will attack rock at different angles, at different, there's a lot of engineering behind it that I will not confess to completely understand. But what I can tell you is when you use this bad boy, this Carbide tungsten tip right here, that's where the action's at. When this Carbide tip is used up, you simply pull a clip off the back of this pick, you take the old one out, you throw it in your scrap bin, keep them because that's beer money, you're gonna put that in the scrap bin, right? Then you replace it with another new pick, and you just keep going. Same story over and over. But this takes all the abuse, whereas in a hydraulic breaker, all the abuse from your bit is striking back inside the hammer and tearing up the guts of that hammer. This doesn't happen on these cutters. If you want to see these in action, or you want to rent one, you want to try one, you want to buy one, call Rockhard. I keep wanting to say call the website. Please reach out to us on our website, rockhardsolutions.com. Call the number there. I'll generally answer the phone. Every now and then one of my team members will, but chances are you're going to get to talk straight to me. And I'd love to hear about your rock problems. I want to say something. We've got Chemrock and we've got Epirock, and we don't have a lot of competition. The difference between us and our competition is we use this every day. This is not me selling widgets. This is me selling something that I know works. If you go to rockhardsolutions.com, you'll see our entire lineup. There's a way to get in touch with us. Please give me a call. Let me talk about your problems. But the one thing that's going to be different if you call Rockhard Solutions is we know what you're doing, because we do it too. If you call some of our competition, you're going to call an equipment manufacturer, you're going to talk to a salesman that doesn't know this technology any better than you do right now. So if you want to know what it can do, call the experts. We're here to help. Okay, so TNC contracting is what I call my day job. It's all I've ever done since I was 10 years old. Throughout the course of my career, I've seen a lot of technology change and improve, but never in rock until now. Now that Chemrock has burst on the scene, they really helped me solve my rock problems. So I saw the value in that, and I want to get the word out. I don't want to keep this hoarded up to myself, because contractors we're all alike. We've all beat our head against the same rock, it would seem, and I want to help you solve those problems. Now that you've seen the video, now that you're sold, I know you want a drum cutter because you're smart. You know, Chemrock is the way to go, and you need to call us at Rockhard Solutions because we brought these cutters to this area and we believe in them. We use them every day, and I want to share them.